The technology that we've used to bring T+2 to T+1 is now widely acknowledged. As was mentioned, we are now moving to optionally T+0. It will happen before the end of this financial year, and 1 year from there, instantaneous settlement, again optional. SEBI is looking at a whole new asset class. Okay, so like I described right now, that there is a spectrum of asset classes for investors. Mutual funds are the highly retail. Then you have in between, you have PMS, and then you have AIFs for private equity. So in this spectrum, we feel that there is room for an additional asset class somewhere between mutual fund and PMS. And that's what we are discussing with the industry, that what is that asset class, what will it look like? What will be the additional benefits to the investors? What should be some of the risk mitigations for those investors? So we are discussing creation of a whole new asset class. The large brokers, we call them qualified stockbrokers. They are the ones who have a very large investor base, and they have very significantly additional responsibilities in line with what I talked about today, risk-based regulation. So these brokers actually have a lot more requirements in terms of their compliance with technology, resilience and cybersecurity as compared to the others. There is also a penalty mechanism which is already active. Many people are not aware of it, but the exchanges impose a penalty when there is a disruption of operations, and this is something which is already in place. Having said, and as you know, recently SEBI inaugurated the risk reduction platform, which means that if there is significant a longer period of outage of a particular broker, then the exchanges will facilitate direct access to the investors to be able to reduce their position.